Hey man, what's good YouTube, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Reese in the Cut, back with y'all with another video today. And as y'all can tell by the title of the video, y'all, in today's video, we're gonna be going over step by step how you guys are gonna make your first 100K off of any profession that you choose in this world. We're gonna be showing y'all, I'm gonna be giving y'all the blueprint. Now, before we get into the video, bro, some of these steps is gonna require risk. What I mean by risk is, man, getting out your comfort zone. You know, getting on the internet a little bit, doing things out the norm, grinding, going through the season where you gotta stay down until you come up. So if you guys want to do that, bro, you're gonna make your first 100K off any profession, no matter what you want to do, whatever you want to get into. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I got my notes right here. So yeah, let's hop straight into the video, right? So first off, the first thing, right, the first step in order to get to your first 100K, right? This is the step that a lot of people, they try to skip. But you cannot skip this step right here because this step is so crucial, right? So the first thing is, bro, you got to get a 9-to-5 job, bro, right? Because you got to get something to fund whatever you're trying to get into, right? You know what I'm saying? Or unless you already got motion or whatever. But first step, get a 9-to-5 job, bro. You need a stable source of income. Simple as that. You know, whether you're getting paid every 2 weeks, every week, it's motion coming in your bank account every week or two. So get a 9-to-5 job. Now, when you get this 9-to-5 job, first thing you want to do is, bro, hit you either a 90-day run, a strategic method. You know, you can use the Reese method that I got, which basically, if you got, let's say you get paid $668 every week, basically what you do is, bro, you take out the $600, you save the 68, and you just keep doing it over and over and over again. Watch your money stack up quick. Or hit you a nice 90-day run, bro. I want you to save $5,000 to $10,000 from your 9-to-5 job, right? So, and that's I feel like that's the hardest part right there. A lot of people, they try to skip the first step, and they don't end up getting past the first step because a lot of people, bro, they undisciplined. A lot of people, they don't end up saving $5,000 to $10,000. And I get it, it's tough, but this the first step right here in order to get to it, because you got to have something to put into what you're trying to get into. All right, so that's first up. Now, after you have completed whatever your 90-day run, saving your 5 to 10K, this is what you're gonna do. I want you to pick one high income skill or a hobby. It don't even gotta be a high income skill, but I just recommend a high income skill because when I get to the further steps in the video, y'all gonna know exactly what I mean. Something that's high demand on the market that's gonna be able to be very profitable, if that makes sense, right? But it don't even gotta be a high skill income. It can literally be a hobby, whatever you want to do. Remember I said in this video, right? This is how you can make your first 100K off of anything that you want to do in this world. I don't care if you draw pictures, paint pictures, whatever you want to do, make music, anything, right? But you want to pick one thing, go all in on it, bro. I want you to learn it like the back of your hand, study it, learn it, everything, bro. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna have a way better chance at being successful and getting your hand in just a one thing, bro. See, a lot of people, bro, they want to get their hand in the trading, they want to get their hand in the crypto, they want to get their hand in the content creating, they want to get their hand into every single thing, bro. But I'm gonna tell you one thing, bro. You could be the jack of all trades and the master of none. So go in all on one skill or one hobby or whatever you want to do, bro. I promise you're gonna have a way better shot at trying to get your hand in the 5 to 10 things, and then you're not getting shit done for real. So that's the second step right there. So the third step is, bro, all right, so you got your 9-to-5 job, you went on your 90-day run or whatever you did, you got your 5 to 10K, you figuring out what you're gonna do, you going all in, you learning about it, you studying it, right? So now what you want to do is, bro, you want to invest that 5 to 10K into whatever you want to do. So basically what I mean by that is, bro, that could be equipment, that could be courses, that could be knowledge, that could be promo on the internet, anything like that, bro. Take that 5 to 10K, bro. I need you to put it into the business, right? Then that's when you start it. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you are doing, I want you to start it, do it every single day. Keep doing it. Keep running up the money, right? So that leads to the next step. Make your first $10,000 off this skill or whatever you are doing. All right. So the reason why it needs to be either 5 to 10K, but I suggest 10K because once you make your first 10K off of whatever you're doing, that's how you know that is for you. I'm gonna say that as simple as that. Once I made my first $10,000 off content creation, that's when I knew, okay, I'm good at it and I mastered it and I learned it because Yeah, $10,000 is not a lot in today's economy, but to make $10,000 off of something that you're doing, I ain't gonna lie, that's how you know that shit really for you, bro. So once you make your first 10K, then that's how you know, like I said, it's for you. So what you want to do is you want to come on the internet. This is where the digital marketing comes in, right? So basically, if you do not know what digital marketing is, it's basically you just promoting yourself on the internet, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, anything, bro. So basically, what you want to do is, you want to make some reels, pay for promo, right? You want to basically digital market your whatever you got going on. So basically, you just selling it, right? You selling yourself. Okay, hey, I made this amount of money. You need to show your results. Show your results. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I made this amount of money, and if somebody they want to learn that skill or whatever you're getting into, so that's the art of it. This is where the money is going to start to come in because you didn't already you didn't already save your money from your 9 to 5. You made the money, you invested the money, and you made the money off the business. Now you can mentor other people and you can show people how to make the money from what you're doing because there's somebody out there that want to get into what you get in. Like I said, anything on what you do. Somebody out there want to learn how to draw. Somebody want to learn how to day trade. Somebody want to learn how to make content. Somebody want to learn what you're doing. So what you're gonna do is, right, like I said, you're gonna digital market yourself. Whatever you gotta do, pay for promo, show your results, and start a channel. You're gonna start a membership. And when you start this membership, make sure low prices first. Don't come on here with all these high ass prices. Everybody they may not buy with you because you know what I'm saying. You freshly getting started. Make some good affordable prices. So everybody, cause look, I'm gonna tell y'all one thing. See, everybody they want to go high, but nah, people don't know you yet. Start low, cause then let's say you got a membership right for $3,499. You get 1,000 people to join that membership. That's an easy $4,000-5,000 a month and you just getting your foot in the door, right? You know what I'm saying? The lower it is, the more people that's gonna join. See, when you trying to come on here acting like you money hungry, you feel what I'm saying? The people ain't gonna mess with you because they gonna feel like it's a scam. Also, especially if somebody don't benefit off of the thing that you're trying to teach, at least it's only $2 to $3.99, bro. You know what I'm saying? If somebody complaining about $3, bro, okay, then that's on them, right? But come on here, start either a membership, sell a course, or you can start a school or an online community school and just charge, bro. And you basically taking the knowledge that you learn and you just reinvesting it and you just repricing it. So basically it's just like you just reselling your knowledge, you know? And then I want you to do this every single day. So continue to digital market yourself, continue to make content, continue to come on here and teach people other things about what they want to learn. And that's how you gonna make your first 100K. That's the blueprint right there. See, a lot of these people online, they say these type of things all the time, but you guys got to be listening. It's the same sauce, bro. It's simply, bro. I'm gonna go over the whole process with it again, so everything could make sense and flow together for you guys, right? You get your 9 to 5, you save up $5,000 to $10,000, right? You learn your high income skill, you learn it like the back of your hand. You take the $5,000 to $10,000, you invest it into the business. You know what I'm saying? You make about 10,000 off the business. You come on the internet, digital market it, show people how you made the money, and then show people how to make the money. You guys know what I'm saying? And then charge for it. Because after a while, knowledge is not free after a while. Game is not free after a while. I know in this world, if the game should be free, but everything come with a price, bro, whether it's high or low. You guys know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I'm gonna be dropping on my membership channel. I think probably tomorrow. I'm gonna try to have a video up there on it tomorrow. Not a guarantee though. So make sure y'all go ahead, tap into my membership. We do a lot of game that y'all probably won't see on here on the channel. But honestly, bro, this video right here, this damn near is membership game right here. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all tap into the membership. It's only like I think we're going for like $4.99 or $5.99, something like that. Literally, bro, game for a biggie bag. So make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And y'all know I love this. So y'all already know I'll be back with some more content tomorrow.